traumatized.
Another time I was traumatized.
Oh,
you
God.
have no idea what I was talking about, too. No. No. No, I went like that.
Yes.
Emily, you're not allowed to look at this. It's going on Facebook. Just on. Anyway, this goes on Facebook. Every one of her videos goes on Facebook.
Really?
Yeah. He does. He's my friend on Facebook. Oh yeah.
And Antonia's friend.
Where is it? Emily, don't look at my phone. This is boyfriend. I'm not going out with my camera.
You're going out with just the camera.
You know I'm going to put this on Facebook.
Tyler.
No, that's not it. That's not it.
Wait, can you hide videos from people on Facebook?
Christian
James David Mayo.
No, that's not what I'm looking for.
Oh, Emily,
Yep.
Emily, we're passing your husband's house.
Ew! What's this about?
Wait, what did it say, Emily? What did it say?
No!
What did it say?
Put off the video and I will.
Oh, look, Emily. It's your boyfriend's house.
Look at that camera.
Jared, Emily loves you. Emily Andrews. Emily Rose Andrews.
Emily Catherine Mogg!
Nope, Emily Rose.
Sister Wise.
Oh my Jesus.
I'm gonna laugh if he opens the door just like, what? Really?
Turn off the video camera right now.
Oh my God.